Hello friends, how are you guys? As you know, Haldiram is one of my favorite brands, and they have opened an online shop in Durban, South Africa. And then I ordered a lot of products from them, and they had some scheme going on where you can buy 3 get 1 free, as well as the first time consumer get 10% discount. But with this 3 buy 3 get 1 free, there was no 10% discount which was working. So any which ways I ordered the stuff from them. This is not a sponsored post, this is I bought everything. So and on the same price as was listed on the website. So if you want Haldiram products, you can definitely go and check out. They always have some kind of scheme going on. Currently they were out of the big packets of snacks, but they only had 200 gram packets or 150 gram packets available. But earlier, last when I saw, initially they had 450 gram packets as well, and it was a little bit cheaper as compared to the market in Forsberg and other Indian shops. So let's see what we have ordered, and let's open the package and show you all the stuff. So we have so many packages, as you can see. We have so many things that we have bought, and we will show you one by one. So the first category of products is these packets, which are kind of on the go travel kind of packages. This is just a 45 gram packet or so. In India, this one is available for around 10 to 20 rupees. Here the price is not written because these are versions for South Africa. But as you can see, these were packed on 22nd April 2023, and best before is 21st June 2024. We are already in the month of May. So basically they are giving us the old packets, I think, yeah, because in 1 month they will already be expired, so which is not good. So but any which ways, we will finish it as soon as possible. And so this is called Bhujia Save, and generally you can keep it in the car or something for quick snack pack. So basically this is a quick snack pack. So Bhujia Save, if you don't know, is a Bikaner famous hot and spicy extruded fried Indian snack. So this is the first thing. Moving further, we have the same version of the snack in Aloo Bhujia taste. Aloo Bhujia is now, as you know, is a potato based spicy mint flavored extruded potato snack for all ages. I love potato thing, and this one also is the same thing with the same as well. So it is 21st April 2023 and expiry date is 20th June 2024. So basically they are giving us only a 1 month of kind of packaging. So they must have started long back from India. Next item that we have here is Matri, which is a quick bite. As you know, Matri goes very nice with tea or coffee, and I really love tea. And then this one is a 150 gram packet, and if we check the expiry date of this one as well, I think it's the same problem with this one as well. So it's imported by Merkur Trading, Cape Town, South Africa. That's what I don't know how and why they are producing it last year and sending it this year. So I don't know that. So but this is Matri quick bite. I think that's why they are offering discount as well. But Matri is one of the products. Moving further, we have the same category of product, which is mini samosa quick bite. As you know, this is a triangular samosa, Punjabi samosa kind of thing. It's stuffed Indian snack with moong, lentils, cashew and raisins. So this is really nice. I generally buy them from Forsberg and eat them as soon as possible. So this is also the same problem. 24th June. The next item that we have here is a Punjabi Tadka Namkeen. I really love this. This is a hot and spicy extruded snack with Bengal gram and potato, and this has a little bit of spiciness to the same, and this comes in this 150 gram packet. So this one is a little bit different. This one has an expiry date of September. So next item is soya stick. This is my son really loves it. It's a chatpata masala package, and it is a namkeen and tasty, crispy and spicy extruded soya snacks. It's a 150 gram packet, and with this one is also a date of September. So this my son just really loves. Then the packet that I have been loving is a Khatta Meetha packet, which is kind of a sweet and salty mix of sago and rice flakes. I really love this one. Yesterday only I opened the new packet, which was 450 gram packet, which I bought from Fortsburg. And this one also has the expiry date of 21st June 2024. I think we are in 2024 already, in the month of May. The next item that we bought is a Dal Biji. Dal Biji Namkeen. This is a Agra famous snack mix. Generally people eat it with the Agra's famous petha. Petha is a sweets that we do, and then this also has a expiry date of 21st June. So this is Dal Biji Namkeen. Then I ordered 2 packets of Dal Biji because generally we don't find it in Fortsburg, and that's why I bought 2 packets, and this one also expiry date of 21st June. Then we have a Moong Dal packet, which I really love. Moong Dal has been my favorite snack from the time immemorial, as I really love the Moong Dal. This is rich in protein, and this packet also has expiry date of 20th June 2024. So let's see how the taste is like of the items which are nearing the expiry date. So the next item is a Gol Kachori that we have. Gol Kachori is also a quick bite. It's a delicacy stuffed with the roasted chickpeas, cloves and cashew and spices. So this is a Gol Kachori quick bite, and the same thing is with this as well, 24 June 2024. So let's see how all this stuff pans out with me. So the next item that we have is a Haldiram all-in-one bhujia packet and namkeen packet. It says it's classical mixture of all the favorite Indian savories. So basically this is mixture of all the snacks that we have shown you so far. They put them, and then this has a different taste to it. So you cannot make it like by combining all the snacks yourself, but this is really nice. So if we check about this one as well, this is the date of September. It's a 200 gram packet. Then we got 2 packets of Kaju Kashmiri mix, which I bought. So Kaju Kashmiri mix I really like because it is an indulgent mix of tasty Indian snack with cashew nuts, and I really love cashew nuts. So, and it also comes in my yellow color, which is my favorite. And then this one also is the 21st June 2024 item, imported by Merkur Trading, Cape Town, South Africa. So the next item that we have here is a Aloo Lacha. Aloo Lacha, as you know, is like a chips kind of thing. So it's a crunchy and spicy potato sticks, and this comes in 150 gram packet, and this one has an expiry date of 24th June as well. So this is really nice. And then we ordered Bel Puri. Bel Puri is an Indian snack that you eat, and because the best part about Haldiram's Bel Puri is that it contains all these 3 chutneys inside, so that you can mix and make. So it's a Bombay famous sweet and sour snack mix. I really love Bel Puri. When you don't have anything to do or you don't have anything to prepare, Bel Puri is your rescue. So because it's a perfect tea time snack. So I have ordered 3 packets of Bel Puri. So here we have the 3 packets of 2 packets of Bel Puri as well, and all of them are 21st June 2024 expiry date. And then we have got a card from them as well, which says bringing 680 years of rich tradition and flavor to your home, Haldiram. Thank you for your purchase from Haldiram. We'll delighted to be bringing you all the authentic flavors of India. We love your feedback, so feel free to tag us in a post on social media or drop us a message and let us know what you think. Haldiram.sa. So that is their handle on Facebook and Instagram. So thank you very much, Haldiram. And the next item that we have, I think we didn't order this one, or I don't know if it's a free item or what, but this is one of the other items that they have sent, small one. Thank you very much, Haldiram, for the same, this one, for the Moong Dal small packet. Then to make the desserts nice, I have ordered Rasmalai tikki. So there is no this is only the tikki portion. You have to add the milk and everything. So this is a 1 kg product, and on this one, this is going till 20th July, because and this is Rasmalai tikki. Then the other one that we have ordered is Rasgulla. is an Indian sweet. It also comes in 1 kg packet, and this one also has a 20 July packaging. So these are really nice gift for somebody, or you can, if you have a birthday or something, you really enjoy these. Then I ordered 2 packets of gulab jamun because gulab jamun I really love. So I ordered 2 packets of gulab jamun, and gulab jamun is a 1 kg of sweet, and then you really love gulab jamun, and this also has a July expiry date. So gulab jamun is our traditional, whenever there is a birthday or any festival, Indian festival, you eat gulab jamuns. So, and you can eat them cold as well, you can make them warm as well, and once you start eating gulab jamun, there is no going back. So thank you very much Haldiram for all the items that you have that I have ordered and you have sent me. So let's check out all the items that we have here. So it says that we have ordered Gol Kachori, we got Punjabi Tadka, mini samosa, soya stick, matri, bel puri, khatta mitha, moong dal, Haldiram all-in-one, aloo lacha, Haldiram sweet treat bundle. So these 3 packets were going for around 230 ZAR. And then we have Kaju Kashmiri mixture, dal biji, bhujia, sev, aloo sev, and gulab jamun 1 EG package. So definitely then this small packet of dal is a gift from Haldiram. So thank you very much Haldiram for the same. I'll definitely try to finish it by the expiry date of these products. But the online shop of South Africa I think is the cheapest as compared to the prices of Haldiram products on any of the shops in Forsberg or Sarvana Spices or wherever in Joburg. So definitely go and try out their products. I ordered it on I think Friday, and then today is Monday, so they have a very fast delivery. Thank you very much Haldiram once again. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. We are very near 5,000 mark. With your help only we can do 10,000 as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye. The only problem that I foresee with the online shopping is that you cannot touch the product, or you cannot see the product, and then you cannot check what is the expiry date of the product that you have in hand. Basically at the other stores, if you see at Pick n Pay and Woolworths and other stores, if anything is expiring within the next month, they discount it to 25% to 50%. But here we are only getting discount of let's say 33% or something, not 33%, 25%, because buy 3 get 1 free basically means that you paid 75 rands for 100 rand worth of product. So basically 25% discount, right? So that's what it is. So that's what I have learned from the online shopping. So online shopping is always a risky affair, as you can see.